Welcome to the Greening Casino training series produced by Peaks to Prairies and the Western Sustainability and Pollution Prevention Network. In this series, we hear from casino professionals on how to make green by going green. You'll want to watch all 10. In this video, we'll explore how casinos can save money through energy efficiency.
Turtle Creek Casino and Hotel was founded, I think it was in 1986, or in 1996, and in 2008 was reconstructed into a modern facility that has a lot of green features built right into the facility. And some of the features are here on this slide. For example, skylights that are in the facility, in the building, both in the hotel and in the on the casino gaming floor that let in natural light, and so that reduces the amount of energy that's needed during the day. At the time, all of the slot machines were converted from coin to ticket in, ticket out. Of course, there's electricity savings from that. There was a state-of-the-art HVAC system that was put in to purify the air. And when the air is purified, it's then discharged outdoors. Before it was discharged outdoors without purification, with the new facility, it goes through a purification system. The ceiling is sloped from the highest point of 50 feet to about 12 feet at its lowest point. That provided more space and cleaner air for the guests and the employees that are in the facility. There's centralized beverage dispensing, which adds to efficiency and reduced energy use. One of the kitchens does double duty. The buffet kitchen also prepares meals for any groups that are meeting in the banquet area, in the ballroom, and so there's efficiency from that. The kitchen vents go to purifiers in the mechanical space where grease is trapped and the air is purified before it's vented to the outdoors. And then when that the grease is reclaimed, and we have a waste hauler that handles the grease for us. All of the pavement from the former facility was reclaimed and recycled and used in creating new pavement, new concrete, the gutters, and the foundation for Turtle Creek Casino and Hotel. There's an organization in Michigan called the Champion Tree Project, and there were 12 champion trees which are cloned from the national champion Norway maple in Empire, which is not far from us, that were planted on property. Again, a green effort there to try and preserve the ecology through planting of trees. The mechanical systems, air, water, lighting, heat, and hot water, are all high efficiency systems. The boilers are high efficiency, and we use natural gas. The previous system was propane, and there was an estimated payback of 3 years for the switchover with a lower CO2 discharge. And also, there was a green roof that was installed on Turtle Creek Casino and Hotel, and it was the first green roof in Michigan for a casino facility. There might be a couple of other things. Our CEO of Grand Traverse Resort and Casinos, Rich Bailey, is with us as well. And Rich, is there anything you wanted to add?
Yeah, thank you, J. Mike. With the design of the Turtle Creek property, one thing that we did want to call attention to was we were one of the first casinos to use skylight lighting throughout the casino floor, which is a first and was somewhat unprecedented in casino design. When we chose to incorporate that into the project, we actually had to take into consideration the positioning of the sun, where that was going to be, as that would have a direct impact on the game performance if we kind of missed the sun angles just due to the different times of the year. Obviously, the direct sunlight onto a video game or a machine would have a time impact on the amount of play and certainly the comfort level of the guests. So with that, the guest response has been overwhelmingly popular with the natural lighting. We've been able to estimate that about 50% of the casino lighting does come from the skylight technology that we did introduce to that piece. As J. Mike did mention, we do have the centralized kitchen concept built into the property, which the real positive there is that we don't have any grease traps on the property. From a operations standpoint, the team has really taken a green-friendly approach, and when possible, with the housekeeping or the casino housekeeping department, we've minimized the amount of chemical usage down to 6 different types of chemicals that are used, and whenever appropriate, we do go to a household vinegar solution-based cleaner when possible or when appropriate. As J. Mike did mention, with the introduction of the first casino green roof in Michigan, that also does. We do have the food and beverage departments. They grow rosemary, thyme, some organic spices, which are in turn used at the higher end steakhouse.
Thanks, Rich. I'm going to hand it over to Bob Kiwi-Gashkum, who is a member of the Tribal Council of the Grand Traverse Band, and he had some information about the Grand Traverse Band's philosophy and a teaching on ecology. Bob?
Thanks, J. Mike. Good afternoon, everyone. Like J. Mike said, my name is Robert Kiwi-Gashkum. I'm a member of the Tribal Council, Vice Chair, also on the Economic Development Board, Chairman of the Board. But I was telling J. Mike, I said, there's a teaching that we pass on to our organizations. If I didn't do that, the elders will not forgive me. You know, we also got to pass that teachings on to everybody as we go along this process. But as many of you know, Native American people live in balance, harmony with all creations, including the plants, animals, and those that walk, crawl, and swim. But we realize that we are only a small part of this creation, that by taking care of ourselves and those things around us, include the ground we walk upon, the Mother Earth. And we honor the great spirits and our ancestors in the spiritual worlds that have gone on before us and given guidance. But our people only took what we needed from this Mother Earth when it was needed, and everything or part of animals that was used for subsistence. Nothing was wasted. All these teachings were contained in a language, a way of life, before contact with other nations. But today, some of our people strayed away from these teachings, and our Mother Earth is suffering as of that result. But it's not too late for everyone in this country. We can still make a difference. We need your help too. Together, we all can make a difference. And as we all know, we can help each other in doing this. We pass this philosophy on down to our organizations within our casinos, our hotel and resorts, our travel government, and also to all our members in our community. So this is a short teaching, but it's something we have to pass on to everybody as we guide our green initiatives in this world today. Thank you.
Thanks, Bob. Really important, and I think that adds the background for why we are taking great effort to change the culture of the employees at Grand Traverse Resort and Spa, and also it's happening at Turtle Creek, it's happening at Leelanau Sands Casino, and also at the tribal government. There are green initiatives that are happening amongst the staff as well.